Number 5. Wall mount hair dryer, night light 1600 watts of drying power. This compact and light-weight hair dryer features an LED night light. It's perfect for any size bathroom. Easy to install wall mount. This dryer's wall mount holds it securely in place and is easy to mount on most surfaces, hardware included. Dryer shuts off automatically when placed in wall mount.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.
Number 4. Pro Italian design. For over 70 years, Elchim has been designed the highest quality hair care and styling products to ensure your hair is luscious, healthy and perfectly groomed. Our Turbo Ionic ceramic hair dryers are developed in one of the fashion capitals of the world, Milan, Italy, and use powerful Italian engineered AC motors for premium quality that will last. Number 3. Salon quality results. Panasonic Nano hair dryer is shown to reduce damage caused everyday brushing, enhance hair smoothness and shine. Patented nanotechnology. Panasonic nanotechnology draws moisture from the air to gently infuse nanoparticles which hold 1000x more moisture than regular ions into every shaft of hair, so you can dry hair without drying it out. Number 2. Wattage of this appliance may vary depending on the location of use. Smooth results, less sprays in half the time. Power of a dryer, precision of a styler, flexible tangle. Free bristles help dry, smooth and style your hair. 1100 watt of drying power, unlike conventional hair dryers. Number 1. Equipped a high-performance 2000 watt Italian motor, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Portofino hair dryer is enhanced nano titanium technology to distribute heat evenly. Optimal results. The negative ions generated by the dryer help remove static.
If you want to know more about this product, follow description below.